What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy. This is the last weekend at my shop before I move. Anyways, someone's picking up some stage panels today. Just simply these platform stages, 3 of them, right? Yesterday, someone rented a TV. The other day, someone rented some glassware. Obviously, I'm a tent rental company. It's off season, so tents aren't moving. Though I did have some pop-up tents go out for an indoor event, but that's besides the point. The point is spreading yourself wide and adding different items will, steadily grow you, right? There's surefire items that book every week that are great. Like, photo booths always go out. Marquee letters, they always go out. Tables and chairs, they always go out. But if you get weird items like TV, and, these stage panels, glassware, barrels, patio heaters. I mean, these things tend to add up. And the nice thing about them is even if they only go out 3 times a year, 4 times a year, usually they pay for themselves in a year. So, I mean, by getting them, if you can wait a year, you'll make that money back. And then you're sitting on all those products. And then people will rent them out, and it's just more revenue, right? So if I didn't have these stage panels going out today, that would be the only thing. I wouldn't have anything else on the orders for today. So, I mean, that's an extra $100. And, I've been adding all these separate items that go out. And, it's an extra this, an extra that. And extra counts. So bottom line is that little bit of extra counts. So make sure and grow yourself wide if you have the space to store the items. So yes, core items are great and they go out all the time, but if you widen yourself to some specialty items, they will still go out. They just won't go out as much, and they will pay for themselves, and they'll fill some empty spots with your core items. When you're adding items wide, you never know if you get a banger item, like an item that just works for you. Like I bought a beer pong table, but you see 2 of them there? It's because the beer pong table started renting out really good, so I had to buy another one. So, and I never would have thought, I hummed and hawed about it. I was like, should I even get a beer pong table? Then I just threw it on the website, and then all of a sudden an order came in, so I had to buy it. And then another order came in, so I was like, damn it, I better order 2 of these things. Now I have 2 of them, and they're popular for parties. Who would have thunk? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then check one of my newer videos, because soon I'll be posting videos from the new shop, and there will be, it'll be nicer, it'll be better, more dedicated videos. I'm going to do more videos, I'm going to do videos on stuff, and I'm going to have enough room in the warehouse to start setting things up and, walking you through the products properly. So that's very exciting. And and I won't have to be in winter gear just to hang out in my shop, my cold shop. It's still a little chilly even with all the heaters going, so I don't know. So moral of the story is that you should try things out to see if they work in your area, and then you can find banger items. I've found a few banger items in my area, and it's all just from branching out a little bit, right? Even if these items rent out only 4 times a year, they'll pay for themselves. But when you're on your quest to find these items, you'll find a banger, and then it'll keep producing, right? And hopefully it's one of those items that no one else has in your area, and then it just keeps renting, and you're just like, thank gosh, when you don't see it on your competitor's website, because you're cornering the market for that item. Anyways, for me, I'm happy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you know what to do. We'll catch you on the next one. You stay classy. What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy, and today I'm moving in. So as you can see right here, just got my trailer pulled up and I'm doing loads back and forth from the other shop. I can't wait to show you everything.
Whoa.
Oh, hey! Didn't see you there. My shop. Guess what I do? I rent marquee light up letters. I've got the alphabet. People rent these out for their weddings, birthdays, baby showers. The nice thing is there's always an occasion, always a reason to rent these bad boys out. I designed the blueprints with my own custom font with my business partner, this guy right here.
First of all, safety glasses.
It's going great. Today I've got Zurst going out, whatever Zurst is. Zurst, maybe it's a last name or something like that. So anyways, I designed these blueprints for these because I know that you want to start a rental business like mine with the alphabet letters. But if you've looked into it, it's damn expensive. It is so expensive to get started, but not with my blueprints because you build them yourself, or you contract the work to a CNC person, or you trace it out using our plans and then cut it with the jigsaw and then slap it together with brad nails. Quite easy. I've even got a build guide attached to it that shows you the steps to do it. I've made 11 videos that kind of guide you through the process of building in different ways and how to do the lighting install, where to source the lights, all of it. I've got you covered because I had to do it all for myself. I had to cover myself before I can cover you. So check them out.